Hello and welcome to another open source live code hangout. We'll be working with the CiviWiki project. If you'd like to find the source code for this project, you can go to github.com/CiviWiki and look for Open CiviWiki. It's the name of the repository. We'll check first if there's any notifications since the last stream. Looks like there are a few. And specifically in the Open CiviWiki project. Looks like this Threads app was pull request was closed. That's surprising. So I've got my pull request in progress. It looks like I received some review. And there was an attempted wrong solution. All right. Well, that was interesting. It's an environment variable. Let's see. And there's no linked issue. I'm just going to remind we're putting this into text. Please read that. It's not there just. I don't know why some people are ignoring this. We'll put a little bit of helper text there. It helps us maintain the project if I want to link right to this issue. I wanted to actually see what issue it was. I don't have an easy way of getting there now. It's just a bit of an inconvenience. Okay, so we got a little bit of review here. I'll come to this in a moment. This. Okay, what's up with threads? Idea was closed. Interesting. Not sure. It looks like there was some issues with the commit history. Maybe they were having trouble syncing the branch. All right, we'll check it out later. It's probably now deleted from the database. All right, looks like we're back here, and looks like it is a bit hard to distinguish the to-do comments that I'm going to come back around to and the ones that are reminding myself to set up the issue for somebody else to possibly tackle. I think there's something. threads based on solutions. But I guess, I mean, the point is, well, we can remove it. I mean, I'm inclined to remove it also. Yeah, rather than debate it, I don't know. It's not just getting threads that the user authored though. That's for sure. And we've already got a reverse for that. I just added as part of this pull request. Okay, let's just remove it. As Gorkum suggests. Less is more. We're trying to simplify this, and there we go. That's a step. That was it was confusingly written. I had to like really dig in. I still don't understand it. I don't think Gorkum does either. It's in the get commit graph. If we need to get it back, we can salvage that. Just thumbs up it. There we go. Resolved. Cool. Are there any other comments? I do remember there were a few small JavaScript files I can just get rid of, so they're not really in the way. Static JS. Our base JS, we're going to keep that because that's powering our nav bar. Feed JS, I'm not working with. Well, wait a minute. I will be working with the feed. Oh, and where that confirmation came from. Excellent. All right, so a little bit more code that's not in the way. So there's a couple of open tasks that I think would be worth getting in this pull request, and some of the stuff we can move to a later issue. We're actually not going to delete the settings.html, so that was mistaken. This is actually done. User setup has been removed. Settings and update settings are now the same thing. Settings is ported. Feed, not so much, I think. Not done. One of the more complicated ones. I won't be able to handle this today. This is a fragment. Not sure if we have a drafting workflow. Profile image can be added to the settings page. We could try that. Follow and unfollow. I'm thinking about moving to a separate. That might be a relatively small view, but I want to think about it a little bit more. I'll at least wait another day. I'd like to combine the views. Also, I want to avoid abuse, avoid people spamming links and like follow me links, and then people clicking on that links, and then all of a sudden this user has a bunch of followers. I mean, you can't really prevent abuse or hyperlinks, I suppose. But these don't need whole separate views. If we can roll them into the settings page, just have to look at how the settings pages are. The user categories, likewise, Gorka mentioned that this can also be a field on the settings page. So let's hop over here to settings HTML and check out the settings form. The view, register, password reset, settings view, form class, profile edit form. I can do that. It's switching between computers. Model, profile. And let me see where these categories are defined. They're probably part of the profile. Model, profile, categories is there. Oh yeah, and we will enhance the categories as a follow-up issue. Now, where is the profile image? Well, we can just do this. Why do we have to do that? There's a more succinct way of doing that. It's like saying instance, I think it is. Let me see if it works without that. Well, once I log in, I think. Then I can go to settings. I see. Huh. Right. All right, well, we need that then. Or since they're actually not editable, I just can do this. Let me check the HTML. We got a form here. I'll leave it alone. The form has profile image. Dang it. And then what else do we have here? I think I accidentally added that twice when the other time it was. Oh, it was already there actually. Categories. The model categories is a many to many field, so we can't treat it just like that. Yeah, that's right. Symmetrical. All right, we'll come back to the categories part. So the profile image is going to work, and it was already there. I think, yeah. I mean, I didn't add that here at least. And however, Well, we'll add it to the field form. It's not working. It's not needed anymore. We probably actually don't even need these fields to be disabled, to be honest. You'll possibly want to change your email or your username. I don't know. Yeah, because it's coming from an email. I can see. I understand now. Right. Wait. Oh, they are disabled. Yeah. Okay, that's safe enough. This is unnecessary. I didn't catch that. We'll have to figure out a different way for them to be able to change that. When handling the form. All right. Cool. So well, for example, if I do choose a file, I can kind of choose and cancel it. That's not so intuitive, but I can cancel the action. So I'll leave that as it is for now. But the bigger problem is, why is it not saving? And for example, where are those supposed to be saving to? Project, core, settings, media. So there should be a media. So I got project here, core. If I look for a media folder, do I have several? No. I might have to set the like multi-part or some kind of. That's what I was thinking. Couldn't recall. See if this is necessary. It may be it's too close to the top of the screen. 10 pixels. That's okay. Clear that out. Choose a file. Open and save. Hey. And it has a clear button. Very cool. So there it is. Upload works. Clearing it. Clearing it. Works. Now the only other thing is my profile. Hey, that works. Not up here, but we're getting there. Yeah, the default behavior is that's kind of awkward, but nonetheless, I didn't need to write the views. Huh. It would be nicer if it would display it. Let's take a quick look at the core template. Global nav. Let's see why. I believe the how are we displaying it here on the profile page? Since we will run. Mm-hmm. Looking good. I mean, the fact that it's working, that is. All right. Not Duke Nukem. Very good. I think that's a good stopping point. I'm going to think more about this follow and unfollow feature. Could be two different views and just conditionally toggling the button. If I'm on my own profile, probably not going to follow myself. On my other profile, then I'll conditionally display follow or unfollow based on whether I'm already following that person. We'll come back to that a little later. Just wanted to have another short session, make progress. And again, this one might get delayed until a future session. Oh, and this one's going to be huge. Not looking forward to that. But hey, we're almost all the way through the settings. That's the important part. Very cool. Check our notifications real quick. Bunch of failing CI messages. All right. Well, this has been another open source live code hangout. I've been working again on the CiviWiki project. Find the source code at github.com/CiviWiki under the repository Open CiviWiki. I've been working on my fairly large issue to port the accounts app templates to Django template syntax. In this session, I worked with the user profile images and basically used the standard Django form elements here. So it's not super elegant, but it is functional, highly functional. You can clear an image. You can choose a different one. You can save the changes. See them reflected. Yeah, very cool. And this is most of the heavy lifting is done by the framework. In upcoming sessions, we'll be looking at this follow button, as well as digging into a feed HTML and seeing how this is all working and porting that code over to Django template syntax. All right, this has been another open source live code hangout. I hope you're doing well out there, and I'll see you around the stream.